1. Clean the area around the hole in your shoe with a wet rag. Wipe off any dirt and grime near the hole. Once the area around the hole is clean, dry the area with a dry rag or paper towel. Shoe Goo works best for holes in the soles of shoes. If you want to repair a hole in the top of your shoe with Shoe Goo, keep in mind the hole will still be noticeable even after you fill it in. 2. Use 120 grit sandpaper to scratch up the area around the hole. Rub the coarse side of the sandpaper back and forth over the hole until you see scratches starting to form. The scratches on the sole will help the Shoe Goo stick to the sole. 3. Remove the insole and apply a piece of duct tape over the hole. Use a piece of duct tape that's large enough to cover the entire hole. The duct tape should go on the inside of your shoe. The duct tape will prevent the Shoe Goo from getting inside your shoe when you apply it. 4. Turn your shoe over and cover the hole with Shoe Goo. Shoe Goo is a thick, clear adhesive that hardens when it dries. Squeeze the tube of Shoe Goo and slowly move the tube across the hole as the Shoe Goo comes out. Stop squeezing once the entire hole is covered with Shoe Goo. You can find a tube of Shoe Goo online or at your local shopping center. 5. Use an ice cube to spread the Shoe Goo in an even layer over the hole. Shoe Goo doesn't stick to ice. If you missed any spots, cover them with Shoe Goo using the ice cube. Spread the Shoe Goo with the ice cube until it's in a flat, even layer over the hole. 6. Let the Shoe Goo dry for 24 hours. Don't rush the drying process or the Shoe Goo may not adhere properly. Place your shoe in a safe spot where nothing will disturb it for 24 hours. 7. Sand down the Shoe Goo with 120 grit sandpaper. Brush the sandpaper back and forth over the Shoe Goo until it's flush with the rest of your shoe sole. Make sure there aren't any bumps in the Shoe Goo or you'll be able to feel them when you're walking in your shoes.